Hey guys, it's me Maya. Today I'm going to be doing a review on YumeTwins, and it sent us this box, so thank you. I like the color on the back. It's like my favorite color. But all of their links will be in the description box below if you want to check them out. Okay, so if you guys were wondering why I have glasses on, it's because I got new glasses. So we're going to start by opening the box. Like this. Ooh. And it says Konnichiwa on it. Konnichiwa at the top. It just has pictures on it. Things like that. So when I first open it, oh, I see this cute little squishy. I love this squishy. It's super cute. It says Peanuts mascot. Super cute. I love this. Definitely keeping this. Well, we're keeping all of it, duh. But this is super cute. Super soft. Next, has a little bell ringing to it. This is super cute. It's so big too. What if this was a squishy? That'd be super cute. It's a plush though. Alayah's gonna love this. Cute little plush. So soft. Next, oh my gosh, this is so cute. It says Rillaboom all over. It has a picture of a Rillaboom and Rillaboom on it. It's like a little key holder thing. Like you put it like this. Oh, not like this. Like this. And you put like keys or like a card on there or whatever you want to put on here. I love these things. Next one. Oh, it has another bell. Super cute. Oh my gosh, it's a purse. How cute is that? I thought it was just a plush. I was wondering why I had a string tied to it. If I keep looking over there, it's because Alayah's right there. But
I'm looking at the plush.
Yeah, she's looking at it. Here, you can see this one side?
Yes.
Next is this little notebook. It says My Melody on it, which is also one of Alayah's favorites. My Melody. Super cute. I don't know if it has the same pages. Yeah, it has the same pages throughout the whole book, but it's still super cute. Next, what's this?
Is that a shirt?
No. This is a pillowcase. It has like anime on it, I think is what you call it.
Anime?
Super cute.
I don't know.
That's super cute. I love this. But probably my favorite thing out of this package is the squishy. 10 out of 10 on this package. It was super cute. It's definitely like one of Alayah's style things. Just put everything back besides the squishy. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. Comment down below if you like kawaii things. And if you do, what is your favorite kawaii thing? My favorite kawaii thing is probably slime or squishies. Something like that, because they're, you all know, kawaii. But yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Bye! Peace out. Girls out.